Welcome to one more installment of the Jones College of Business Tech Tips. We're going to continue with PowerPoint, and in this case, we're going to learn how to create a zoom effect in PowerPoint using a morph transition. So let's get started. First of all, our goal is to zoom into an image. Now, PowerPoint has a transition called morph that you can use with any type of images. The image could be a map. For example, we have this map right here of MTSU. And what we want to do is we want to zoom. For example, if we want to zoom into this area right here. This area right there. Suppose I want to zoom in there. So the way that this works is when you advance the slide, notice how it zooms. Now, this is a map. Another picture could be a picture of a building. We got an example right here. This is the Jones College of Business atrium. And suppose we want to zoom in this section right here, in this corner right here. I'm going to move over here so you can see the effect. And when I zoom in, as you can see, I am zooming in into that corner. Now, finally, and this is probably one of the most useful uses for this particular transition, is when you have a large amount of data in a spreadsheet and you're presenting it, it's very hard to read. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this morph function to zoom into another area of the spreadsheet, of this data set that we have right here. And what we do is we advance the slides again, and now we can focus in those formulas right there. And notice how some transitions are faster, some are slower. You can control of that. So how do you do this? Very, very simple. You start with your original picture in a slide, then you duplicate that picture in another slide, then you expand the picture in the other slide and trim it, so you just show what you want to show, whatever corner or area of the picture you want to show. And then in the second slide, the one that has the zoom area, just select a transition called morph. So I'm going to show you how is that done in here. So we have in here, for example, our data set. And this is the large picture, as you can see right there. That's the large picture. And then just duplicate this slide and it will be right here. And what you do is, after it's duplicated, you select the picture and make it larger. And you focus just in the area that you want to show. For example, I want to show just columns O, P, Q until Y. And that's it. At this time, you are ready. You can trim the picture if you want to trim it. It's not required, but you can trim it. But the last step is to, in the second slide, use the morph transition. Under transitions, morph. And that will do it. So if I go right here, I'm selecting here the feature to present this slide. When advanced, you will notice how it goes all the way until the column O. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this new tip that I have presented you today. Have a good week. Thank you.